Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something I got from Smashbox. So this is a new Gloss Angeles lip gloss. Makes lips look fuller, non-sticky, cruelty-free, studio tip. Try the clear gloss for an extra shine on the lips face. And this is a new LA Cover Shop palette, 9 matte, 7 shimmers with a vivid payoff. Includes a full-size black always on gel eyeliner, 4 double-sided base shades, cruelty-free, tag Smashbox with your look. This is how it looks, and then you guys see on the inside. Oh my god, you guys know I love how their eyeshadows go like this. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful sunset. I like how this is all separated. So this right here is a look. This right here is a look. This right here is a look. Look. It's not too complicated where you look at it and you're like, well, what can I create? Got to covered. So let's go in and prep our eyes. And put this all over. This is the Morphe C235 concealer. I really like how it dries down matte. It's really freaking nice. So we're just gonna go in and we're gonna blend that out. I am using a Flower Beauty eyeshadow brush, but I'm using this to blend out my concealer. It's really nice and fluffy. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry down just a little bit. Okay, so I'm feeling, oh, let's take this off. I usually leave the film on there, but I need to stop doing that and live, because I'm always like, no, I'm gonna save it, and it's like, but I can't. Ooh, since Valentine's is coming up, let's do a really pretty Valentine's kind of sort of look. So let's go in with this shade right here. So we're gonna add that just really lightly in the crease right there. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. It's beating up color really good. Ooh, like you can see the color. All right, a little bit of like kickback, but not even a lot where it's like gonna bug me, you know? Let's go in with this shade right here, and we're gonna add this in the crease. Like that. Ooh, these colors are pretty. So now we're gonna go in with this shade right here, and we're just going to apply that underneath our brow bone. And I'm using a MAC 249. So we're gonna go in and add this right there. And the formula of these feel like really like buttery, very buttery. I like. So you guys know I can't help myself. I have to go in with that kind of reddish brown shade right there. I have to, you guys. I can't just like leave it. Okay, go in with this one. And we are just going to, ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to blend that in. Just like that. And this is a Morphe G24. I guess Valentine's looks are gonna be my favorite because these are like the shades that I like the most. Okay, I'm gonna go back in more with that kind of coral shade. The shade right there, and a little bit of the purple. Ooh, that purple looks, do you guys see the purple? Holy schnauz. I'm using an LA Colors brush. Oh, I'm just going to add that in my crease. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I want to go in with this kind of like pinkish rose color right here. Oh, it feels so freaking soft. Look at that. And I'm just going to go in and add it just on top. Okay, that's pretty. Ooh, I got pink eyeliner. Should I do a pink eyeliner? Ooh, this is pretty. This is from the LA Colors. This is a chrome liquid eyeliner, and that is gorgeous. But I am gonna go in with some tape. So I got the tape on. So let's see how it looks. I'm like scared. Like, what if it doesn't look cool? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the LASplash ProArtist body liner, and this one is in Vivid. It's different. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors Chrome Liquid Eyeliner, and this one is Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna add it on top of the Smashbox. It catches your eye just a little, like, oh. Back in with that Rose Gold. I'm just gonna add a little top. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit over here and también put it on top of it and go like that. Okay guys, I'm just playing around with the makeup. I'm just like, oh, what's we gonna do next? Going in with my Too Faced concealer in Snow. I'm just going to clean up right here. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. I'm gonna use the shade Boss, and I'm going to use the MakeupShack T71. Okay, do I just want to do the out? Gonna look like a paper cut, but that's okay. Now going in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner that comes in the palette, we are going to tightline. That's cool that they threw in a full size. It's usually like travel size that come with palettes, but that's pretty cool. Now go and get with the Smashbox X-Rated. I need a dramatic lash for this look. This one is Smashbox Bad and Boujee. Or Duabi. Oh, yeah. We have a special guest, baby Jade. Say hi, Mama Tita. Say hi. Oh, you looking at yourself in the mirror? Que bonita. Yeah. So I think I like how this came out. I do. It looks like so different. I haven't done anything like it, so I'm actually like, okay. So here is up close of how it looks so far. Smashbox was so kind and they sent me another PR package. You open it and this is how it looks. So freaking cute. And it says Smashbox. And then it says in here, when I seen it, I was like, what the heck is this? And then I freaking got so excited. It says share your look, new Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer, 24-hour wear, medium to full coverage, hydrating. The doe foot applicator is petal shaped and it has a no streak application. Select your shades to contour and conceal and highlight. Oh, that is badass. Look at that. You guys see that? Look. That is freaking cool. And it has Smashbox in the back. Look at that. See? It's like I got you covered. So you see I can color match somebody. Like, oh, what's up? I'm gonna do your makeup. Think you're this color right here? Before you toss this tin, consider reusing it to organize brushes, liners, lip gloss, whatever your vanity needs. Who would throw this cute freaking thing away? Who would throw this away? When I read that, I was like, yeah, I'm keeping it. Yeah. All right, so let's go in. Thank you so much, Smashbox. This is such a nice gift. Thank you so much. So let's go in and let's prime our face with the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Add some there, add some here, and a little bit on the forehead. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna blend this in, work it on our pores to blur them out. Oh, where are they? I don't know. Forehead, in between. Okay, so now let's go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear hydrating foundation. I am originally 3.2, but this is my summer shade. But I think for my winter shade, I'm a 235, which is a light medium warm golden shade. So let's go in and apply. I'm excited to try out the new concealers. Here is 235. I think I'm 235. Okay, and we're just gonna blend this in with our Wet n Wild sponge. Yeah, that's perfect match. So if you guys are my foundation twin, this is our winter shade. I recently found out my Fenty shade for winter, and a lot of you were messaging me like, oh my god, thank you for letting me know. I've been using a lot of concealer to lighten it up, and I'm like, oh, I got you. So again, if we're foundation twinsies, this is 2.35. See how nice that looks? Oh, I matched myself. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm like, woo. Okay, over there. Oh. So look at that. There's some nice coverage. Okay, we're gonna bring it down right here too. Yeah, that's what it deserves, huh? Yeah. All right, so let's see for concealers. Light, medium, olive. No. So this is a light, medium, warm peach. I think this is the one. So light, medium, warm peach. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer. Again, light, medium, warm peach. And the doe foot applicator is supposed, ooh, that's a badass doe foot applicator. Oh. Ooh, I like how the doe foot applicator just slides to the right. Ooh, that's so freaking cool. So I'm just going to apply it. Feels really nice. Like, it doesn't feel like thick. It just feels really nice and creamy. Okay, so let's go in with the medium dark warm olive. Okay, let's go in with dark warm too. Boom, 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 boom. And let's do a little bit on the nose. Ooh, that looks too red for the nose. Try neutral. Okay, so deep neutral. Oh, perfect. This is what I should have contoured with. Okay. Just a little, like that. Don't get too carried away. Hopefully I like it. I hope it doesn't crease and play me, but it definitely feels really, really nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Flawless Complexion. And okay, first let's blend out the concealer. Ooh, and it's been sitting on my face for a minute too, and it's still blending. I got kind of carried away with like talking and all that. Maybe. Oh, that's blending nice. Just go into circular motions. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Just have to clean up a little bit right there. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe G26, and we're just going to blend out the sides of my nose. Oh, look how good that looks. Like, my face doesn't look cakey. It looks good. Nice. So going in with my Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I've been obsessed with this one. I'm probably going to be using it up. Just set our under eye. I'm going to have a lot of fun with the concealers. For sure. Now we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. We're going to go with that shade 100. And then we're going to use our Wet n Wild brush. And we're just going to blend. Ooh. That's pretty. It is like a... Ooh. That is gorgeous. And I really liked how my nose came out contoured really nicely. Like, really pretty. I really like how my nose looks. Makes me so excited. Now we're gonna go in with I Love Sarai. This is from Dose of Colors, and this one is in Soulmate. And we're just gonna pop it right here. Ooh. Yeah. We're gonna use the ColourPop Drop of a Hat. You guys know I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, so now going into our bottom lash line, this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner, but I'm going to be using it for my under eye, and this is in Pop. I like how the concealer looks. It looks like it's just like, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here, using an LA Girl 206 brush. So now going in with this shade right here. Ooh, that has like a really pretty pink shimmer to it. That is gorgeous. Pop that right there. Like, you see how it catches the light? Like, ooh. I'm really happy that I didn't take off this makeup look. I was really like, no, but I'm like really happy that I left it on. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my brow bone as well. Yeah, you see that really pretty pink of that shade of pink it has in there? Nice. I keep wanting to like apply more, just because of how pretty that shade looks. Yeah, I like it a lot. So I did lip swatch all of the Smashbox Gloss Angeles lip glosses. Going with the lip color real quick. I did apply, the one I was wearing right now is the clear one. So going in with Beachy Keen. Pretty, huh? Pretty. And let's add another gloss on top, because when I was swatching them, I was like, with this one is Hustle and Glow. So we got Beachy Keen, and then we're gonna add Hustle and Glow on top. With these glosses, it makes your lips look more fuller. So I really like that combo. That combo is gorgeous. Okay, so I am done. I'm completed with my Valentine's Day makeup look. I was gonna straighten my hair and curl it, but I'm like, you know what? I gotta let it chill. As long as like there's a lot of this going on, this is okay. So I'm gonna zoom in to show you guys how everything looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed playing around with the Smashbox palette. I really liked how pigmented it was, how buttery it was. I really like it. And again, I like how they sectioned it off like this one, this one, this one, this one. I think that's very helpful. I really liked it. And the butteriness was so nice. I feel like everything blended so beautifully. And I really liked how these two colors looked around the lid area. I really liked how pigmented the LA Colors eyeliner was, the chrome liquid eyeliner. That was so nice. And then when I went in with the Smashbox eyeshadow on top, so beautiful. The concealer looks so freaking nice. And I like how I got to contour with it and how it looks on my nose. It looks so freaking nice, like contouring, all of it. I like how I gave my face like a bronzed look. Everything looks super freaking nice. I like it. Thank you so much to Smashbox for sending such an amazing PR package over to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep up to my videos. So far, no complaints. Everything looks super duper nice. You guys let me know how everything looks. I like it. I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.